All right. First, when we talk about angle grinder, we talked about a dangerous product. So we had also to care about the safety for the user. One of the features we have is what we call the line lockout. Basically, grinders is draining the battery extremely quickly.
Итак, когда мы говорим об углошлифовальных машинах, надо осознавать, что этот инструмент...
Then the battery shut off. What the user is doing, he takes the battery out, go to the charger, grab another battery, but the switch is still on. When he will plug the battery, nothing will happen. He will have a big LED that will explain him that he needs to disengage the switch and reengage. Okay?
Кристофер продемонстрировал, как функционирует система защиты от случайного включения, сымитировал пропадание питания, то есть вы работаете инструментом.
The user are generally frustrated with scoreless small angle grinder because the overload kicks quite early, and you always have to re-engage the switch and disengage.
Но вот эта вот индикация, которую вы видели, которая загорелась на редукторе, она не только...
You need to apply a certain constant weight, which is on average between 8 and 9 kilos, depending on the material.
Для нормальной продуктивной работы углошлифовальной машины аккумуляторной необходимо прилагать определенную...
When I'm pushing too much, then it stops. But before it kicks in, yeah, that's the bloody prototype.